Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the filter holder on a GE Monogram refrigerator. It's a straightforward process and it takes about 10 minutes. First, let me explain how I discovered this issue. My filter holder was leaking, and after cleaning the dust, I found a hairline crack, which was causing the leak. Alright, let's get started. First, turn off the ice maker. Then open the top panel. You will see the filter right away. Remove the screws. There are two screws holding the filter holder in place. Take those out. Remove the filter. Be prepared for a little water to come out. Disconnect the tubes. The holder has two tubes connected to a blue valve assembly. The tube on the right, labeled blue, connects to the port with an orange ring. The left tube connects to the port with a gray ring. To disconnect, push up the ring while pulling down on the tube. It might take a few tries, but you will get it. Now you can remove the filter holder assembly. When searching for a GE MWF filter holder, you might see the common one on the left, but that is not the one you need. The correct one is on the right, without fittings on the tube. You can buy it directly from the GE Appliance website using this part number. Now let's install the new filter holder. Connect the tubes. The tubes labeled blue goes into the port with the orange ring. The other tube goes into the gray ring. Make sure they are installed all the way in. Put the two screws back in place. Remove the filter cover and insert a new filter. Turn on the ice maker, and you are done. Here's a look at the old filter holder. As you can see, it's very dusty, and here's the hairline crack. It's small, but big enough to cause a problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thank you for watching.